Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can format your pen drive. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is make sure that your pen drive is inserted on your laptop or PC. Here you can see I have already inserted my pen drive on my PC. So we're going to now open this PC on your laptop or computer. So after opening this PC, here you can see this is pen drive. We're going to now right click on our mouse or touchpad like this. And here you can see this will now pop up, and in here you can see the format option right here. You can simply just click on format. And now we're going to get this kind of pop up again. Here you can see this is the capacity of your pen drive. And here under the file system, here you can see currently exFAT by default is selected. exFAT works on Windows, Mac and Linux, and it is really best for sharing between devices. But if you select NTFS, it is best for Windows system drives. So I would recommend you guys to simply select exFAT for now by default. And after doing that, you're not going to do anything for this allocation unit size. And here you can click on restore device defaults if you want to restore the files of this pen drive. And here you can see there is the option of quick format. Make sure that you have selected this quick format like this. If it is not selected, you're going to click on this particular box right here and select quick format. So after doing that, you can simply click on start just like this. And here you can get a warning saying formatting will erase all the data and disk. So if you are sure you want all of your data to be removed, you can click on OK. And here you can see format has now successfully been completed. You can now click on OK. And you can simply cross this pop-up. And here you can see our pen drive is now empty, and we have now successfully formatted this pen drive. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.